Hello students, you have completed section 1 of sea turtles and now we are going to play one interesting activity. Generally, we have pets which live on land. You might be thinking about turtles after completing the sea turtles lesson. Now let us recall some of the sea animals names. Think of some sea animals in your mind. Now we are going to play a word chain. Here, all of you are going to give one sea animal name. But the game goes like this. First, if she gives one name, the second one is going to repeat the first one and he is going to add the own example of sea animal name. And if Surya is going to tell, he'll tell the first one sea animal name and the second one, and he is going to add his own example. This is the rule. Do you understand the rule for this game?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start the game now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us listen from her the first sea animal name. What's your example?
Golden fish.
Very good. She had started with a golden fish and you are going to repeat the same and add your own example.
Golden fish, whale.
Golden fish and whale. Superb.
Golden fish, whale, seahorse.
Okay. Golden fish, whale, seahorse, and mine is dolphin.
Golden fish, seahorse, whale, seahorse, dolphin.
No, you are repeating seahorse. Yours is jellyfish. Can you repeat from first?
Golden fish, whale, seahorse, dolphin, jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Very good.
Golden fish, whale, seahorse, dolphin, jellyfish, tortoise.
Superb.
Golden fish, whale, seahorse, dolphin, jellyfish, tortoise, shark.
Superb. And we have enjoyed playing the game of word chain with the sea animals today. We'll again play the word chain with some other interesting topic in tomorrow's class.